Okay, so now this is nice and even. So now I'm gonna get some more clay, ball it up. Okay, I'm just gonna rub it a little bit. Rub the other side. That's so fingerprinted, that's okay. We'll work with it. Okay, then I'm gonna lay it on here. Now this is leather hard and this is plastic, so it's not gonna stick together. And I'm just gonna lay it on this, like so. And I'm just gonna rub around it, just like that. I'm gonna rub kind of down, around, just like so. There we go. Okay. Then I could just leave it like this, but I'm gonna peel it off just so you guys can see. Oh, I see. Okay, so now I have a lid that's gonna fit on here. Now, if I just left it like this, it would like slide off. So I need to make something to seat it so that it goes down inside the pot. All right, so have a paper towel, have some water, and I just wanna make sure that this is, and I can't bend it a lot because it's leather hard. Okay, so I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna go around the clay with my finger to get it wet. Then I'm going to just press it on the paper towel. And now I have a line of where, I'm just gonna make a line right here, just in case this dries a little bit and I'm not working quick enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my clay and I'm gonna make a coil. Here to here, back and forth. All right, I think this is probably plenty big. And now I'm gonna put this on this line right here. Just like that. And I overlapped these. And I'm gonna take my knife, whatever I have, and I'm just gonna cut. I like to do an diagonal cut, so it has more surface area to go together. And then I'm gonna slip these together. So to do that, what I'm gonna do first is just make some little scratches. This is called scoring. And then I'm gonna put some water on it. Now you could use slip, but I think water will be fine for this. And then I'm gonna put those together and just kind of blend them together. Okay. Then I'm gonna take this and put it right in here, and it should fit inside of my container. So I'm gonna scratch. There we go. And I'm gonna put a little water here. Here, why not? Okay, and then I'm gonna put this on here like that, and I'm gonna blend the inside. I don't want to blend here, I want to blend the inside. So I'm just gonna take my finger, blend that. Just like that. Okay, then I'm gonna lift this up. And it's still pretty plastic. And then I'm gonna take and make a little lift. Okay. And I'm gonna make another lift. Like that. Put this back on here with my lifts on each side. You could probably just go with one, but whatever. Okay, then you're gonna put this back on and it should seat right in there and be nice and firm. Okay, now I need to let this harden. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, so this is the lift. It lifts it. All right, and I want it to just sit on here Ooh, I got some sharp things. I don't want sharp. Yeah, because it's not sharp now, but once it fires, it'll be super sharp, and I don't want that.